Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of How Logical. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to reset your password for MySpace. If you're trying to log into your MySpace account, you must already know that you'll need your email address or your username and your password. If you don't remember your password during the login in process, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up your web browser in order to begin. In the address bar at the top of the screen, go to www.myspace.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you land in the home page of MySpace, click on the sign in button from the left hand side menu. You'll be taken to the sign in area. You can use your Facebook account or your Twitter account to log in as well. If you're trying to log into your account with your email and your password, you'll need to first type in your email address in the first text field. After you do that, if you happen to remember your password during the process, you can type it in the text box. But if you don't remember your password and you'd like to reset to a new one, click on the Forgot Password link. On the next page, you'll need to type in your email address. Type it in correct in the first text field, and right where it says username, type in your username. Click on I'm not a robot and click on the submit button in order to end up in the next page. You've been emailed an instruction on how to reset your password. Open up a new tab and log into your email account. Make sure to log into the same email account that you provided while signing up for your MySpace account. Right in the inbox, you should receive an email from MySpace. Click it open and you've been sent a link to change your password. Click on the link that you received. On the next page, type in the new password that you'd like to change to. Now, head over to the next field, type in the password one more time in order to verify your password, and finally click on Reset Password. Your password has been changed successfully. Click on Continue and you'll find yourself in the main homepage of MySpace as well. That is what you can do in case you've forgotten your password while logging into your MySpace account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.